Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video where we'll be comparing two amazing cameras, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Sony Alpha 6700. We'll be evaluating these cameras in different categories to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for you. But before we dive into the comparison, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's get started. Both cameras deliver exceptional image quality, but the Canon EOS M50 Mark E boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, providing sharp and detailed photos even in low light conditions. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 6700 features a 26.0 MP APS-C format XMOR-R back illuminated CMOS sensor, which offers stunning image clarity and dynamic range. It's really a tough call in this category. When it comes to video recording, both cameras shine. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E supports 4K UHD *24p and HD 120p for slow-motion footage, making it perfect for vlogging and capturing fast-paced action. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 6700 offers 4K 60p 6K oversampled 4:2 to 10-bit recording, ensuring professional-grade videos with stunning details. It ultimately depends on your needs and preferences. Both cameras excel in autofocus performance. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E features improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, ensuring sharp and accurate focus while shooting photos or videos. Similarly, the Sony Alpha 6700 comes with a dedicated eye processor and real-time recognition, offering precise subject tracking. It's a tie in this category. In terms of additional features, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E impresses with its convenient vari-angle touchscreen LCD, perfect for vlogging and framing shots from various angles. It also offers high-quality webcam capability using the EOS webcam utility software or clean HDMI output, making it ideal for live streaming. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 6700 boasts high frame rate 4K 120p recording, allowing for stunning slow-motion videos. It all comes down to your specific needs and priorities. And that concludes our comparison between the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Sony Alpha 6700. Both cameras have their own strengths and are incredible choices for photographers and videographers alike. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.